Alright, welcome back. Now we're going to go through the whole process. We're going to create our table of frequencies, and then also we're going to create our histogram to go with it. So let's get started with our table. And overall, we're just going to do the same thing we did a few videos ago. What we're going to do is we're going to tally everything up, and then once we've got our tallies, we'll determine our frequency, and once we've determined our frequency, we can graph it. So a group of students recorded how many books they read in a month. The results were 2, 1, 3, and so on. You can see that books read is actually in a different set of buckets, so we need to remember that we're not tallying for individual results, we're tallying for group data. So the first one is a 2, that means we'll put a 1 little dash in the 2 to 3. The second is a 1, and a 3, 4, 2, 5, 1, 0, 3, 2, 4, 2, 6, 1, 3, and a 5, a 2, a 4, a 1, 2, 3, 0, 4, and a 6. So now we get our frequency from our tally. So this shape here with a line through it obviously equals 5, and then 6, 7, and 8. The same for 2 to 3, 6 for 4 to 5, and 2 for our 6 to 7. That's our table done. Now we're going to create our histogram. What we need to do is plot each one of these values. So I'm going to do what I always do, which is I'm going to put a dot for each one, and then I will go back and create the bar graph, or not the bar graph, I'll create the columns for the histograms afterwards. And then 2. Alright. So let's maybe go to here. We'll leave that gap at the start. So there is our frequency histogram. And again, all these values have to be connected and there can't be any gaps. But if we ever get a frequency of 0 in one of these, it's not counted as a gap. And so you should still leave that 0 value there. Okay, let's see if we can get another one. So for this one, a teacher collected the number of hours students spent on homework in 1 week. And here are the results. So we're going to create a frequency distribution table, and then we're going to create our frequency histogram to go with it. So let's get started. For 0 to 1. And then 2, 4, 3, 2, 5, 6, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 6, 4, 5, 3, 1, 2, 4, 0, 3, 2, 5, and 4. Alright, now let's do the frequency. For the first one there's 4, second one we have 10, third one we have 8, and fourth one we have 2. Alright, let's draw our frequency histogram. So let's get started. Our first one will be at 4, our second one will be at the top at 10, third one will be at 8, and fourth one will be at 2. Alright, there is our histogram for our data. So we can see all of our values here, and we see the majority of students studied during the week between 2 and 5 hours, with most of them doing between 2 and 3. Okay, that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. I will see you in the next one.